Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about dropshipping fitness trackers. We will discuss that how to start dropshipping of fitness trackers. So to better know about it, we will read an article about it on dropshippinghelps.com. So without wasting much more time, let's go and read this article out. How to dropship fitness trackers, best products included. In the past 5 years, fitness trackers have actually ended up being progressively popular with customers. It appears that brand new designs with enhanced functions are launched often while rates continue to fall. Many fitness trackers promote the capability to assist users slim down and enhance their general health by counting the variety of actions taken and calories burned in a day. Lots of even determine the user's heart rate in real time and claim to track both amount and quality of sleep. How do fitness trackers work with smartphones? A lot of fitness trackers on the marketplace interact information to users through a mobile phone or other gadget. Choosing a fitness tracker that is right for you might depend a minimum of to some degree on your option of phone and the apps that work with a specific gadget. A lot of fitness trackers sync instantly and quickly with iPhones and Android phones. You might have a problem. Nevertheless, if you utilize a Windows phone, many fitness trackers have their own apps, and this is the location where you access the information that has actually been collected and translated by the tracker. Some trackers go on action even more, nevertheless, and work with other apps on the marketplace, apps that you might currently utilize and enjoy. How accurate are fitness trackers? Since the sensing units and algorithms differ by producer and even design, it often takes place that two various fitness trackers might yield various outcomes. This recommends that while fitness trackers might offer you an excellent summary of your motions, the information collected and how it is translated might not be totally precise all the time. How exact are fitness trackers when determining steps? Understanding that measurements and information can differ from tracker to tracker. You might be questioning simply how precise are they when determining actions. The majority of trackers are usually trusted when counting actions taken throughout the day. The innovation has actually enhanced over the past number of years, and more recent trackers are normally rather trusted. They understand when to dismiss a little motion of the wrist, such as when you are typing or playing a computer game, and not count it as an action. Just bigger motions count. Nevertheless, some activities, such as an especially rough car ride, might sign up as action due to the quantity of motion, while strolling gently throughout extremely thick carpet might not register at all. Fitness trackers are relatively trustworthy at counting your day-to-day actions, however, they are definitely not foolproof. Um, List of best fitness trackers to dropship. Fitbit Charge 4. The Fitbit Charge 4 is the very best fitness tracker you can purchase. Fitbit didn't require to do much to attain this title once again. However, it handled to repair all our guides with the Charge 3 and keep it at the exact same right point. The integrated GPS is welcome, as is Fitbit Pay being basic throughout all designs. The only factor you ought to think about purchasing another wearable at this rate point is if you desire a more smartwatchy experience, then I'd advise you to choose the Fitbit Versa 3. Garmin Vivo Active 4, Apple Watch 6 series, Fitbit Sense, Xiaomi Mi Band 6, Fitbit Inspire 2, Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite, and that's it. So that was the video. Oh, sorry, that was the article about dropshipping fitness trackers. I hope you've understood everything about it. So if you want to know how to start dropshipping, you can research about it and then understand everything about dropshipping. So that was the video about today's dropshipping fitness tracker. So I hope you've understood everything about it. So let's end this video here. We will meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. See you. Allah Hafiz.